Welcome to part 89 of Daily English. Today's situation. Social life, talking about music. What kind of music do you like? Example. What kind of music do you like the most? I like pop music. Example. I like pop music because it's relaxing. Who's your favorite singer? Example. Who's your favorite singer these days? I love this song. Example. I love this song. I listen to it every day. The lyrics are beautiful. Example. The lyrics are beautiful and meaningful. The melody is catchy. Example. The melody is catchy. I can't stop singing it. I listen to music every day. Example. I listen to music when I study. Let's listen together. Example. Let's listen together after dinner. Can you recommend a song? Example. Can you recommend a song for me? Mini conversation. Anna, what kind of music do you like? Ben, I like pop music. I listen to music every day. Anna, who's your favorite singer? Ben, I really like Taylor. The melody of her songs is catchy. Anna, nice. Can you recommend a song for me? Daily tip. Music is a wonderful conversation topic because almost everyone enjoys it. Ask people about their favorite songs, singers, or music styles, and don't be afraid to share your own favorites. Speaking challenge. Talk about your favorite music. Say what kind of music you like, name your favorite singer, describe a song you enjoy, explain why you like it, and ask your friend to recommend a song using at least 5 sentences. Subscribe for part 90. Continue learning English with Avetra edu.